24 over 18. Sri Lanka need 13 off 6. Let's have a look at the field. Third man. Point on the cover boundary. Long on. Mid-wicket. Square leg. Oh, Hamlet. Oh! Goalkeeper style. He's knocked it over. It's 6. What a start to the final over.
That's Rashid Khan, usually a very safe fielder. Another slow ball into the pitch. Young Will Lalage keeps his shape, swings it across over mid-wicket, and Rashid Khan doing the cardinal error. Was about 10 feet in front, trying to track back, and in the end, only managing to rebound it over the boundary for a 6. Great start for Sri Lanka.
He did well to get there, just couldn't hang on. But football clubs watching, sign him up. This is what you need as a goalie. But not in cricket. Unfortunate for Rashid Khan. 7:05. It's loud. It's exciting here. The crowd on their feet. Enjoying every moment of it. Here's Farooqi. That's a dot. But one over the shoulder. So he's got only the one that he can bowl.
The right option taken by Dunit Will Lalage. The execution at the location. Cannot deny so far Will Lalage has been superb. But this was all over it, another boundary, especially with fine leg up. It's amazing why the Yorker has not been trusted by these two experienced bowlers. It's only been back of the lens, so deliveries mainly. And young Will Lalage has lined up both of the bowlers. Whatever the result is, the crowd has gotten their money worth. And the atmosphere is electrifying. The last time Sri Lanka played here against Australia, it was a similar atmosphere. And we all know what happened in that series.
Finally goes back. Third man comes into the circle. What's he gonna bowl? He goes full. There's not going to be a 2. Sri Lanka cannot come back. Now it's been a while since Sri Lanka's been on strike. Would he have lost his rhythm?
Just a one hit away. That's what Charith Asalanka will be targeting. Field stays the same. Deep into a deep square leg, a long on, long off. Sweeper cover, patrolling the boundary. As we speak, the fine leg drops back. And he comes back again. Maybe Shahidi at mid-off, drops back. So many moments, so many traffic police happening in the middle. And in the end, happy with fine leg back. So 4 fielders in the offside, saving the single. None in the leg side.
The short ball has been the option to Sri Lanka. And it is once again. He's hit it. He's hit it. And it's out of here. Sri Lanka win. Not yet. Yes, it is. It's 6. What an incredible hit. Charith Asalanka and Dunit Will Lalage. What a partnership. And an unlikely chase. Tremendous scenes here in Pallekele. Sri Lanka leveled the series, and what a comeback win. 313, hardly anyone gave them a chance because it's never been achieved before.
The record's been broken all around. Elated dressing room of Sri Lanka. The beginning of the innings, I don't think much of the people would have given any chances. But young Charith Asalanka and Dunit Will Lalage brings these teams home to level series 1-all, which is a very important game. 10 points to the Super